Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Joseph, this is Mammoth Airsoft. This is our first video after about a month-long break, and we've kind of made some rookie mistakes. John completely forgot his camera as we were leaving. I was filming in the wrong resolution with the wrong settings. I lost one of the magazines to my gun. And my pale ass cooked out in the sun. Due to filming in the wrong settings, the footage has no stabilization, so it's pretty shaky. I do apologize about that. I did try to use Hypersmooth and GoPro software after the fact, but it cropped the footage too much. So, lesson learned there. In this video, we go back to what has been our home field for the year. We experienced some genuinely frustrating moments that played a part in us leaving the first game early. The weather was, of course, another huge factor, as again, we are in the deep south, and it is July.
Pretty much everywhere, it's gonna be hot.
There isn't going to be very many cuts throughout this video, as there just isn't a whole lot of footage, so I figured just let what I've got play through, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
You think we're good to, you think we could move back this way and go around the barn? Hey, what you guys see back there? What's it look like up over here?
I'm not seeing anything on the bridge from where I'm at.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing the bridge, anything on the bridge.
Heard.
Probably farther back in towards the vape shop.
Towards the vape shop?
Yeah, they're like in that ditch behind the bridge.
They're at Horseshoe Bend, so they have to come down that hill.
Yeah.
All right.
A little stalemate.
That's what I'm saying. There's gotta be a way that we can move.
I like your idea, go through the barn.
Yeah.
Rat.
See what we can do.
Can they see us from there?
What, through here? Yeah. If you go, I can. From which side though? Because we've got our homies holding back over on this side, I think.
There's one in that shed.
I can't tell. My glasses are watery. I think there is somebody in there.
It's just suppressing this little...
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's no way that we can push around that side. We have to go backwards, I think, to move forward.
It's just put it in this direction. You don't even see anybody.
That's what our team was saying, is they don't even see him.
Like I'm just watching BBs fly.
Yeah, we're stuck here, buddy. Hey, one's on the hearse over here. He's looking over the top of it.
Huh? What was that?
I'm telling you, the guy behind us. I think I got one over here.
Oh shit, I'm getting destroyed by mosquitoes.
Yeah. Oh, hit! Could've sworn I already killed that guy. Dude's fucking... Where's my dead rag? Yeah, that's right up right here.
Trying to get tape?
Yeah, give me a second. Ow, dude. I always get hit in the hands.
Are you all hit?
Yes, I am.
Can y'all get tourniqueted?
He's got me. He's still up.
Tourniquet tape. Okay. Tourniquet tape.
Counts, right? Here. Joe. Oh, wait, where did Joe go? I'm taking fire.
You are?
Yeah, I don't know where from though. Yeah, 12 o'clock, right side of the barn.
What's that, Kyle?
They were 12 o'clock, right side of the barn. I don't know where they're at now though. They're moving right to left. Joe, what do you see back on our left?
I got nothing right now.
Movement. Movement left side, heard? Where they at?
Team killer.
I'm gonna go to the church.
Heard. You're uncovered right now.
Y'all understand positive identification? Your teammates are in red. That was me and another teammate y'all were shooting.
Whoopsies.
Guys, the box is pushed up, please. You gotta watch this. Get on.
Running low on ammo.
Yeah.
What, Joe?
We got that guy, right?
I have no idea. I assume so. He's dead! He's hit!
Well, sorry.
Yeah, unfortunate, buddy. There's somebody. All I see is dead homies. On the left. I saw shots coming from the left. It'd be like BBs went flying over your head from that side. I think they were just strays. He's shooting up the hill up here.
Every 30 minutes, guys. Every third bottle, a good idea of Gatorade.
Where at, John? You guys see anything over there? Hit! Hit! I'm assuming everything's red. Oh, the hit! He's on the right side of the plane, you see that? My mask came off. Yeah. Alright, that's good. Straight through the plane.
On the right of the plane.
He was peeking me through the plane.
Peek out, John, we're in a double fire. We're in a double fire. When you pop out, I'll shoot.
I don't know if he's still in that same area, but he was literally like through the doorway of the plane.
God.
You said you bodied him, or he's gone? I need to take my shit down. Is that you, Ryan? Yeah! Oh, shit! Oh, bad, man! Hey, this side of the plane, John. He's about 3 feet. There you go, there you go. Hey! Watch out. Ah, hit. Oh, we traded? We traded. Yeah, you got me. We traded.
You guys traded.
Good shot, brother. You hit me right in the face. I have a mask on. You're good, buddy. All right, well, RIP. John, you tied this really tight, buddy.
Sorry. I think we're good.
Red, red, red.
Oh shit. Oh my god, my life flashed before my eyes.
I felt like I was about to watch a live leak video, man. That was.
Well, I was like, okay, we have teammates here, right?
No, same. All right, I'll be back in a second, guys. Are you still near the plane?
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, we're in the same spot.
All right, word, I'm coming.
So we just wait to regroup.
On my way. You fucking want. Hola. Hello, Goyams.
Hey, we have guys pushed up.
Hell yeah.
Yes, we can push that.
Cool.
We got one guy here. And then I think we have one guy in the cabin.
Friendly in
I
front.
guess not anymore.
I think he got team shot. Should we? I guess we should move up though still, right?
Yeah, I can go right and you can go left. Or I guess I'll go left and you go right.
Am I getting shot at? Or did I just bump into this? Yeah, you should go left since you're left-handed.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Got him.
Let's get it. I'm crossing. Joe, just go straight through.
Oh, I'll got you. I'll come with you. It's so slippery in there.
Yeah, it is.
I'm walking to the right. I'm walking facing the
Okay. What do you got? What do you see? Contact where? I heard somebody say hit. I don't know where we can go from here. Should we go through the trees over here? At that shed? Should we move up?
I'm gonna take a peek.
Up? Okay, here, I got your right side. Front. Got him.
We should go over the log and push it away.
Yeah, go. There's another one back there.
Fuck my dog.
Gonna high-low it.
Oh, here we're taking fire, but I don't see from where.
Are you just shooting into the bush?
No, I was shooting next to it. Hey, where they at?
There's one at bus. There's this red van right here, and then there's some mesh, and there's like 2 or 3 there.
Roger. You hear that?
Yeah.
1 at bus, 2 at mesh, or 1 at van. I don't see the guy at the bus though.
He keeps going back and forth afterwards. He might have been hit.
Heard? Ow! Son of a bitch!
You need your gloves.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so humid over here, I can't see.
Joe's palms are still down.
I think so too.
Joe, you ready? Got in the hood of that white car.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
There's a guy, he's moved position, but he's over there. But
Okay.
there's enough of us here to kind of...
I think we, yeah, I can shoot over this, right? Oh, movement to the left of the church. There's 2 over there at that little shed.
Oh, they're up there.
I just got hit.
They got a really good position. Nice.
Here. Thank you. Yeah, I just haven't been wearing them. Do you see the 2 of them up there?
I see him on that,
It's like a little shed. I don't know how to explain it.
A couple dudes up there.
Oh man, that breeze feels so good. No, you are not. There's a shed. There's like a little shed right up here, direct front of where we are.
Yeah, he's right above this. We got one popping his head out above the car.
There's 2 of
We
them.
got 2 in that building up on the balcony to the right of that little church building right there.
Do you think we can push up the hill through the plane and go around?
I think someone could get around that boiler and come around.
We have a team going up through there.
Through this way?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we just have to,
Well, we could send a couple of guys down around that side too.
I wouldn't peek that.
What do I got here? 1?
We got the 3 of us plus 1.
Hey, blue behind us! Blue behind!
Where behind us?
Never mind. Yeah. Wait. Never mind. They're just sprinting. They're just sprinting down. No, we're getting down right here. There's 2 guys on the cover. 2. They can't hit you right now.
Sounds like there's 4 of us.
This way.
Oh, they don't have a bird?
Yeah, we got one behind the
You see the shed I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
Send a couple guys up to there. A couple
I don't see them anymore.
and the rest stay on cover fire here.
Woo, that scared me.
Hey, these guys across here are a good shot. They're shooting right through these fences.
All right. What's the game plan, Coach?
I have no fucking clue.
Oh, damn it, dude. I see 1 moving to the... I think I got him.
I've got an extremely clear line of sight over here. If I get a couple guys over here.
Oh yeah, that guy has a dead rag on over there.
No, there's another back.
Oh, he's right next to the guy.
Dude, he's using the fucking dead guy.
Still there.
He's trying to res his homie. Okay, here, swap with me, come over here. Shoot up here, or yeah. I don't know how I didn't get him the first burst that I let at him.
Where is he? I lightly lost him.
Top of the car, building, he's like right here poking around. Car, building. But he was like hiding behind the dead guy. I think that's why the dead guy left. I think I kept hitting him. What's it look like up there? Dumb. Dumb? Roger.
That's gonna bring us to the end of this video. A little bit shorter video compared to what we have been putting out. There was a little bit more game time. I just didn't catch any of it on camera. That being said, we are officially 1 month away from our next 3-day MilSim event. It's gonna be called Operation Bonecrusher in Creston, Pennsylvania, hosted again by Third Coast Airsoft. Other than that, we've got a few more games planned out between now and the start date of that, so that being said, leave a like if you liked the video, comment on what you did and didn't like, and until next time, have a great day.
Alright, do you see anything?
I'm just gonna camp here with my scrim.
Ow.